I am very excited to be back in the beautiful village of Cotford St Luke today. We're at Burge Crescent to see this fantastic townhouse. The property has been magnificently refurbished, really tasteful throughout. It is something you can move into, turn the key, and not have to worry about a thing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
I've been patient, but I won't follow, 'cause I don't wanna be your friend. What does it matter in the end? I want a little bit of lightning. No, I don't wanna be your friend, 'cause these feelings are violent.
This love's a hard attack. This love's a hard attack. This love's a hard attack.
See, I've been patient.
And we get to finish in the most beautifully tranquil and peaceful garden. Now, if you would like to view this property or would like me to come and value your home, please do get in contact. We really look forward to speaking to you. Thank you very much.